Guys, excuse the neighbor cutting grass, but today is my favorite day of the year. My favorite 24-hour period in amateur radio, and that's 2026 ARRL Field Day. Behind me, you can see I've got a portable 20-meter dipole put up. I've got a few other antennas poking around back there. Let's get on the air. Let's have some fun today. Thanks for watching. Come on for the ride. All right, so now we're at our portable operating station. We are inside the back part of the shop, which is a functioning saddle and leather shop. Here you go, we'll give you the full tour. Now, we're working on the workbench today because we wanted to be portable, but I also have a very pregnant wife. Like, baby could come any day now, field day baby. So, want to make sure that we're close to her. We're not out camping like usual, we're not out in the shed. But we're running the Yaesu FT1 field. We're running the ICOM 705 and the VGC when it's not hooked up to 705, you know, doing APRS things. We have this teeny little guy, it's my mesh core dude. More to come on that in some videos. And this is really my whole station regardless whether it's field day or not. This is my laptop from college. The only Windows machine I still have, so it runs all the Windowsy things. The tuner, the battery, big battery down here with an inverter. Diapers for the new baby. Big battery down here with an inverter to charge the laptop. We got it charged up. It's almost dark, but this is it, guys. I'm not gonna lie, I had to swap over to a different antenna. I went ahead and put my loop up, and I gotta say, it's slow going right now. We are at a whopping 31 contacts after like 4 hours worth of contesting, if you want to call it that. So kind of dull right now, really putting the FTX1 through its paces. It's not very warm. It's got cool air blowing over it. 705, this is my third year with this radio. It's chugging along nicely. I do think its time is limited. I think that another FTX1 is in my future. More to come on that. 73, guys. All right, well, it's about 10:30 on the dot. We've got the FTX1 chugging along, trying to make a few contacts. So far, we're at 61, so we're a little bit behind what we did last year, but I'm gonna call it a night. Be back out here in the morning. All right, guys, it is about 5:45 in the morning, and we're back full swing at it. 705 is looking a little lonely over there. The FTX1 is doing a fantastic job. There they are. I've been looking for them in U2DE. That's the Amateur Radio Nudist Society. That's right, them people FT8 with no clothes on. All right, guys, so we just finished field day. We're picking it up. It's about 100 degrees down here in South Louisiana. Everything went really good. You know, we worked into the night. We didn't work all night. Couldn't handle that. Got up this morning about 5:30, came out here. We ended up with a score of about 1360, plus or minus a few, after I put in the points multipliers. Really happy with the way the FTX worked out. It actually was kind of the main radio for this whole activation. So I'm gonna give it to them. I'm gonna go in the shop, finish picking everything up, but I'm gonna say 73, thanks for hanging out.